Vocabulary A through Z, getting started with students. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to Kids Login. And I was already logged in, so I'm going to log out so you can see it. What you're going to see is a roster of students that are under the same teacher. So for example, all my kiddos are here. You're going to find your name, like maybe I'll find Zoe right here. They're going to enter in the password. And it will save, so you can choose to save it and they don't have to use that every time. And as you noticed last time I logged in, it automatically went to the student anyway. There's some things down here, messages, stats, and star zone. They can click around on that. Messages will come from me, no messages at the moment, or messages will come from your teacher. They're going to click vocabulary, and then they're going to choose the lesson that they're working on in their journeys. Or if you're not working in journeys, you could choose any lesson you'd like. So let's say they were working on lesson 21, penguin chick vocabulary. Then they can choose between phonics, spelling, and vocab. So your preference, and they can do all three. Here they can listen to the vocabulary words. I think this is spelling actually. Spelling test. And then here are some specific spelling activities they can go through. And then they can also take a quiz where it quizzes me. If you go back to vocab, I could go back to that same lesson. If I was working on spelling, maybe now I'll want to work on some vocab again. They again have a test for vocabulary, the words they can listen to. And then they're going to play some different games centered around just vocab, quite a few more for this option. And last but not least, phonics, if there are some there. Give me just a second. They click on phonics, they're going to listen to the words, and then here are some games centered around just phonics. It'll get a little bit less in those phonics category the older the kiddos get, but those are the three categories. We did merge the journeys lessons specifically so that as you're working with that student on memorizing spelling and practicing vocab and meaning, you can hop on to vocab A through Z and have your kiddos practice. Hopefully that was helpful and they have fun doing it.